The other thing estate planning helps us do is helps us deal with our concerns of giving up control. Let's face it, we are all control freaks, yours truly included. We all have our own way of doing things, and it's really hard to change those habits once they are formed. Estate planning can, in some ways, feel like a loss of control, which is really unsettling for many of us. But in fact, estate planning is really just the opposite. It gives you complete control over your legacy, both now and in the future. It gives you the opportunity to set things up in a way that makes sense to you. You can use your estate plan to establish maybe a schedule of charitable giving or passing down precious art collections or other collectibles. And you can even help support a loved one's educational pursuits. When you commit to designing your estate plan from the ground up, you're able to design each piece to function in the way that you want, in the way that's true to who you are and the legacy that you want to leave. Use the opportunity of crafting your estate plan, to be intentional and meaningful with the assets that you have amassed throughout the years. Remember, legacy planning isn't about just planning for a future that you can't see. Your legacy starts right now. Your legacy is established every single day. And each day is a new opportunity to grow and to strengthen it. So estate planning isn't about losing control. It's about gaining a whole new perspective and dimension to your estate planning journey. And today we talked about fears around estate planning and how to overcome them. I shared that the fears are very real and even involve psychological factors. I then shared tips on how to overcome those fears. What I hope that you learned is that while estate planning fears are common, they don't have to block you from moving forward. You can overcome them. And listen, you don't need to have everything figured out. Estate planners like myself are trained to listen to your concerns, answer any questions you have along the way, and provide you with options that you may not have considered that are going to help you meet your goals. If you don't even have an estate plan, I created a guide to help you get started. It's called the Jumpstart Estate Planning Guide. Get the guide, it's free. You can go to my website at elsawsmithlaw.com, go to the resources tab, and there you find it on the drop down. More importantly, use it, share it. I'll post the link to that guide underneath this video. I want to thank all of you for tuning in to Women Winning Wednesdays each week. If you need assistance with estate planning in Maryland or DC, I want you to give our office a call. Set up a strategy session. Reach out to us. We are here to help. Join us next week for another episode of Women Winning Wednesdays. I'm attorney Elsa W. Smith, your Maryland estate planning attorney, empowering women through estate planning. Take care, everyone.